This is the video on how to assemble 30 pieces of Sonobe, and the polyhedron form is actually called an icosahedron. We will start off by making a triangle. This is two pieces like this, and take the third piece and make a triangle like this. Then we will be making a five-sided pyramid, a pentagonal pyramid. So let's just go on in this direction. This is one face of the pyramid. We make the second face. Add two more pieces. So 1, 2. Then continue on this part. Add two more. One, two, three. Now this is the fourth one. And after adding the four, this one will go back here to create the fifth surface. So this is the fifth triangle, and we have made a pentagonal pyramid here like this. And if you assume that this is the top, this is the sides, and for each of these sides, we will add three more triangles. So this is 2, and this is, we need to add 3 more. So let's pick this side and add 2 pieces to make a triangle. 1 and 2. Okay, we have added 1. And so 1 more piece at the middle, like this. And we need to make the five triangles. So once you insert here, just close here and close here. So remember the top here. If we rotate, and this is the next part. Insert one like this. We want to make three triangles here. So once this is insert, this is partially completed. Add one here and one here. And move on. Here, add one. Basically, we will just go around the original pyramid and just build all the complete one. Remember, this is the top here. We have moved from here to here. So if we continue on, this is the part we will do next. Insert one like this. close up the triangle. And if you look here, this is the final part. We already have all the pieces needed. So this one, we just have to close it up. Close it up like this. And add one more piece. And we have left with 5. And this is the top part that we want to complete. And if you look here, we already have 1, 2, 3. So just have to complete here 2 more triangles. So this one goes in like this, left and right. And the next one goes here as well. And this one will close up the pyramid at this side. This triangle will be completed. And insert here. And we twist again. Go here like this. Second last piece here. And the final one, just go here. And it will connect it to the top as well. And this is the completed icosahedron, 30 pieces of Sonobe.